In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to always be online on Slack and always appear active. Whether you're stepping out for a moment or you're simply trying to focus without interruptions, these steps will ensure you maintain your online presence in Slack. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your Slack workspace. Once you're in, glance over to the left sidebar. In this area, you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to modifying your status and visibility settings. Now, if you leave your workspace idle for too long, Slack automatically marks you as away. You'll notice this change indicated by a circle next to your profile, turning to an empty state. This automated feature might be useful at times, but it's not quite what we want for our purposes. So, to ensure you're continuously marked as active, take a moment to click on the option that says, Set yourself as active. This proactively resets your status, keeping that green online dot shining next to your profile. When you click this, you might wonder if it's effective immediately. Well, the answer is yes. Once you've set yourself as active, look for that reassuring green dot. It's subtle, yet it signals to your colleagues and team members that you're currently online. This is especially helpful during work hours when you'd prefer to keep a steady connection or appearance of availability. To make sure everything's working as intended, open your profile settings once more. Notice how your status is now updated to online. The green dot should still be there, and that means you'll stay marked as available to others in your workspace. These steps are quite simple, yet effective for those looking to control how they're perceived in a digital workspace. Keep in mind, balancing between appearing online and actually being available to your team is important. It's a good idea to communicate clearly with your team about your availability beyond just the Slack status. And there you have it, a straightforward way to ensure you're always online, well, at least in the eyes of Slack. These steps can come in handy for attending meetings or collaborating on projects without missing a beat due to an inactive status. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Remember, staying virtually present can boost productivity and ensure smoother communication. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital work environment. See you next time.